This video will teach you how to generate a proof of delivery (POD) for your delivered shipments. To access PODs for your shipments, go to the left side panel and select the Tools option. In the drop-down, you will find a Bulk Actions menu button. Clicking on it will take you to the Bulk Actions menu. You can either choose order IDs or AWB numbers to find PODs of your orders. We will choose order ID in this case. Select the POD option next. Then, go ahead and add your order IDs for which the POD is required. Here we will choose a single order ID. After filling in the details, you can click Submit, after which we see that our action is complete and can be seen on the activities log. Clicking on the text will take you to the bulk activities log, where we need to search and select the bulk proof of delivery option. Here we can select the file option based on the start and end time of your POD request. Selecting the file option will download a CSV file, which will contain the POD details. Opening the CSV file, we can see all the order IDs and their PODs. Here, based on our selection, we only have one of them present. Selecting the PDF link will download the POD PDF onto your computer, and you can see it for your reference.